Despite opening higher on Wednesday, the stock market gave up gains from earlier in the day and quickly turned negative after the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reported the first case of the new COVID Omicron variant in the United States, sparking a sell-off. The Omicron variant is wreaking havoc on markets, says LPL Financial Chief Market Strategist Ryan Detrick. A week ago stocks were at all-time highs and the economy was strong. Now all we have are uncertainties and questions. While he remains optimistic despite recent volatility, Detrick advises that investors should buckle up their seatbelts, as the end of 2021 could be a bumpy one. Investors are now increasingly worried that the new variant could threaten the U.S. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell warned as much in remarks before the Senate on Tuesday, adding that Omicron also further complicates the inflation outlook. The Fed chair notably dropped the use of the word transitory when describing inflation, a marked shift in tone as he warned that elevated prices will now linger well into next year. Although the S&P 500 is up nearly 25% so far this year, don't expect the good times to keep rolling into 2022, While most experts predict that the benchmark index will rise slightly next year, a host of risks remain, namely surging inflation, ongoing supply chain issues and tighter monetary policy from the Federal Reserve. Investors will likely face below-average returns as a result, Wall Street's biggest firms predict. First case of Omicron variant discovered in California. Forbes. Here's what Wall Street's biggest banks predict for stocks in 2022, and what to watch for. Forbes stocks sink as Powell takes a rare pessimistic view on inflation amid Omicron variant. Forbes Dow plunges 650 points as Federal Reserve warn.